Today I'm going to show you how to make baby's banana and blueberry muffins. So I've been giving these to my son since he was about 9 months old. Totally up to you what age you want to give your child any sort of like baked goods or muffins. I have done this recipe so then there is no added sugar, so the only sugar that's in there is from the fruit. You will need 75 grams of self-raising flour, 1 egg, 1 banana, 50 grams of butter and 30 grams of blueberries. Firstly, to a bowl you want to mash up your banana. A slightly overripe banana is easier to mash. Then to your mashed banana add your egg and just give it a good mix. Then, having pre-melted the butter, add the melted butter and again mix. Then add your flour and mix until it's a nice batter. Then you want to add your blueberries. So I always chop my blueberries in half, just because for me I feel a lot safer that way, that even though they are going to be cooked so they should break down, there isn't any whole blueberries in there that he might choke on. So I always chop mine in half before adding them to the batter, and then just give it a really good mix until the blueberries are well distributed in the batter. Then to a pre-lined cupcake tray, add your cupcake cases and simply spoon in the mixture. So I find that this does 6 muffins. Then pop in a preheated oven at gas mark 4, 180 degrees centigrade or 160 fan assisted for 15 to 18 minutes until a skewer comes out clean. And there you have it. That is how you make baby's banana and blueberry muffins.